The next question here they're asking you is X-linked disorders. This one, X-linked disorder. So X-linked can be recessive, right? Or X-linked can be or dominant. So basically this is sex-linked disorders. That's what you say, because you have X-linked and Y-linked. Here they're asking you in the exam only about the X-linked. So let us look at this. So commonly, very commonly, what will you say for X-linked recessive? Do you know the examples? Color blindness. Very good. So what are they showing you here? Usually X-linked will be affecting male because they have only one X chromosome, okay? And the woman will have two X chromosome, and usually she will be a carrier because it is recessive, right? So the good one will protect her. So what happens when she gives this affected X to the child, the male child, right? He will become affected. Okay, males are mostly affected if it's X-linked, females are mostly carriers. Okay, so what are the examples of the diseases? You have the hemophilia, color blindness, right? So this one at least you should know. Color blindness, hemophilia, very royal disease. Then you have the Duchenne's, how do you say that? Muscular dystrophy, G6PD deficiency. Okay, this much you remember. Look at the pedigree chart here. Let me bring the pedigree chart here and explain to you. So basically, as soon as you see this, first thing you will say is, hey, wait, I see that there are some carriers and some people are completely affected. So as soon as you see that there is a carrier, so here looks like a carrier. The females, especially females, they're showing here as carriers. These are who? Carriers. As soon as you see that there is a carrier, it becomes a recessive. Okay. Then you see that the males, the affected people are mostly males and the carriers are mostly females. So it is having some kind of a sex link, right? So this becomes sex-linked disorder. Now, how do you know it is X or Y? Obviously, because males are carriers, males are affected. So it is X-linked, okay? Because they have only one copy and the females are carriers. So that gives you a clue, okay? So the examples of the diseases you got. So you have the dominant condition also in this, that is called as vitamin D resistant rickets. That means even if you give vitamin D, it's not going to help these people. That is a dominant inheritance, which is, dominants are always bad, okay? Not much we have explained about dominant, but what happens in dominants, there is no carrier state, right? And the female also will be affected, and the male also with this gene will be affected, right? No carrier condition it will be. So that's about the X-linked dominant. What are they saying here? Crisscross inheritance. Mother to son, father to daughter, that is a crisscross X. But what happens with this? If father has the X chromosome, he's always giving the X to the female child, right? He has only one copy. So he's giving the colorblind copy to the female, male to female. This is kind of a crisscross, okay? So that's about this X-linked disorder. I think you will get 3 marks. Draw the pedigree chart, don't forget.